Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 70, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to pause the workout on this watch. So let's get started. So let's say you have the workout going and you want to pause it for now. You can do it by pressing the start button on your watch and it will pause the workout. After a few seconds you will see this menu, and here you have the pause menu basically, and you can resume the workout, you can stop and save the progress, you can resume it later. If you select this option, it will allow you to go back to workout later. So let's say you want to do something in the meantime and you want to go back to it later. If you tap on resume later, it will bring you to the home page, and you can then see this icon right here at the top of the workout, and you can tap on it to go back to the workout, which is sometimes quite convenient. And then we have the lap option. You can make a lap, and then you have back to start, which if you have some navigation enabled, it will guide you back to the start of the course basically. And then in the discard option, it stops the workout and discards the progression. It won't save anything basically. So this is the pause menu. And to unpause the workout, you press the start button again, like this. And also, if you pause the workout, you can swipe on the screens and here to view the pages like data pages and the settings for the workout as well. Okay, and basically that's how you pause the workout on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.